my understanding, a legacy is the impact that you can have on a person, a place, or life itself. To me, legacy is extremely important because if it impacts someone's life, it can be for the good, for the better. Notoriety and legacy both go hand in hand due to the fact that notoriety being your work being known, and if your work is known, it can lead to a legacy. Through family, it can go on for generations, like, for example, generational wealth. Children, grandchildren will not have to suffer financially, which is a great thing. So through legacy, it can be known forever, and a longevity is the best way to go at all times. So I'm pro legacy.